Hello guys, this day is good day. Abiyahe ako. This is my mama Joyce, Kuya Vel, Kuya Miggy, Papa Dennis. This is me, Simon. This is Pulumulok. Big truck. And expander I get. Apunta kami Cagayan. I have lotion. I have ako. I have teeth. And my tambal hair. This one tambal hair. That's my tambal hair. And cotton bands. And charger. And towel. And toothbrush. My short. And my sanina. My kuya short. My dalawa kuya short. And mama short. And dress mama. And papa short. And sanina short. Sanina short. Kay papa. Okay, I have this so liquid. I eat that. Come here, look. This is perfect. This is Habol, big red. And this is Kuya Bag, Kuya Miggy. And this is Sanina short and dress. This is Sanina short dress. My mommy is dress. I got this too. I have this way. I don't know this. Hello guys, dito tupi na. Natutong ito. Natutong ito. Natutong. That one and the where is the